Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create Agile CRM contact from HubSpot Contact. So I want that whenever a new contact is added in my HubSpot CRM account, automatically by using the details of the same contact, a new contact should also be added in my Agile CRM. So how we are going to do this process effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate HubSpot CRM with Agile CRM, and because they do not have any kind of native integration between them, therefore we are going to use Pabbly Connect in order to connect them both. So what we are going to do, we have HubSpot CRM in our trigger and Agile CRM in our action. So we will be connecting both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn the entire process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn that whenever a new contact is created in HubSpot CRM, automatically by using the response of that contact, a new contact should also be created in Agile CRM. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, in order to create the workflow, we have to come on our browser and then we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. As we do that, we will come on the landing page of this software. Here we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account, and it will take only 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And after coming on the all apps section, we can find all the products offered by Pabbly. To create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And as we do that, it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find the workflows which we create, and to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it. And here a dialog box has appeared in front of us which is asking us to provide this workflow a suitable name. So let's give it a name as Create Agile CRM Contact from HubSpot CRM. Okay. And after giving the name to the workflow, let's click on Create. And here we can find that as we do that, two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic principles on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. Here we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions. So the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards the trigger. Let's understand trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Here we are going to take HubSpot CRM in our trigger and Agile CRM in our action, and we want that whenever a new contact is created in HubSpot, automatically by using the response of that contact, a new contact should also be created and added in Agile CRM. Okay, so let's start creating the workflow. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which is going to be HubSpot CRM. Let's select it, and in our trigger event, we are going to select new contact added. Here we have to click on connect, and from the given options, let's select add new connection. So click on connect with HubSpot CRM. Now we have to select our account. So let us do that. And with very simple steps, we can find that our authorization is successful because I was already logged into my HubSpot CRM account. Therefore, making up a connection between HubSpot CRM and Pabbly Connect has become very easier. So you also have to keep in mind always to keep logged into your HubSpot CRM account before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, because it makes the connection easier and simple. Okay, now let's move on, and it is asking us for the output properties. That means the properties or the details which you want to use in order to create a new contact in HubSpot CRM. So here for now, I want first name. So I will select it like this. The next I want is last name, email, and contact number, phone number. So I want only the basic details for this particular workflow: first name, last name, email, and the phone number. So I have selected it by using the drop down, and here now we have to click on save and send test request. So because the polling time of HubSpot CRM is 8 hours, so it will check for every new data in every 8 hours. Okay, so here we have received the response of the contact which is recently added last in HubSpot CRM. Okay, so we will do one thing. We will go on our HubSpot CRM account and we will click on this create contact in order to create a new contact here. Okay, so I will use some dummy details over here in order to create a new contact. So I will use dummy000@pabblytuts.com as the email. For the first name, I'm going to use dummy, and for the last name, I'm going to use user, dummy user. For the mobile number, the country is already selected as India, so I'm going to enter a random phone number. And after that, we have to click on apply. For the company name, let's enter Pabbly city as, let's say, Bhopal, country as India. Okay, click on create, and our new contact is created over here with the name as dummy user. Now we will again go on Pabbly Connect and we will click on save and send test request. And we can find that a new response is received here with the new details, that is the details of the contact which we have recently created in HubSpot CRM. Okay, so the details are given over here: first name, last name, and email. Okay, so let's move on to our next step. By using this response, we are going to create a new contact in Agile CRM also. So for that, let's select our action application, Agile CRM, and for our action event, we are going to select create contact. Okay, click on connect. And from the given options, let's select add new connection. And here we can find that 3 fields are given over here which we have to enter. Okay, Agile CRM login email, API key, and the domain. So first of all, let's enter Agile CRM login email. That is the email through which we log in into our Agile CRM account. So let us enter that. So this is the email. The next is API key. So from where we are going to find this API key? For that, we have to go on our Agile CRM account, and under settings section, we will find our API key. So let me take you to my Agile CRM account. So this is the dashboard of Agile CRM. Now here from the right corner, we can find the profile option, and under that we have to go on admin settings. So after coming on admin settings, we have to go on developers and API. So here we can find that our API key is given over here. So we have to use this REST API. Okay, so we will copy it and we will paste it over here. Done. The next is domain. So from where we are going to find this domain, it is written if you are using mycompany.agilecrm.com to log into Agile CRM account, then you have to use mycompany as your domain. Okay, so for this URL, we have to again go on our Agile CRM account. And on the top, we can find that URL is given over here. So here, this is the URL and this will be my domain. Okay, so we will copy it and we will paste it over here. Done. Click on save. And we can find that our Agile CRM account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the details given over here in order to create a new contact. So what we are going to do, we are going to use the response which we have received through HubSpot CRM in order to create a new contact. So for that, we are going to use the step of mapping, that is inserting the data from our previous step. Why we are going to do this? Because we want that whenever a new contact is created in HubSpot CRM and the response is received here in Pabbly Connect, then automatically these fields should be replaced with a new details and the workflow should not get stuck due to dynamic data. Okay, so if we will enter the data manually, then that data will become static and it will not change. Okay, so let's map the first name by using the previous step like this. And in the same manner, we will map the last name also. Email. We have not received the phone number in our response, so we can ignore it because it is not mandatory. And I think this much detail is okay for creating a new contact. So let's click on save and send test request. And here we can find that we have received a response along with the ID of the new contact which we have recently created. Now we will go on Agile CRM dashboard again and then we will check for the new contact under the contact section. And here after coming on it, we will refresh the page. And we can find that yes, a new contact is created over here with the same details which we have received through HubSpot CRM response. Okay, now that means our workflow is perfectly successful. So we will again go on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken 2 steps, trigger and action. In trigger we have taken HubSpot CRM and in action we have taken Agile CRM. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new contact will be added in HubSpot CRM, automatically by using the same response, a new contact will also be added in Agile CRM. So this was the full workflow and these were the steps which we have to follow in order to integrate both these applications. Now this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.